Hello guys, myself Rohit Tate, and now I am going to discuss with you the learning of Python programming language. So first of all, in this today's lecture, I want to show you which web-based applications and which window-based softwares that we can use to execute various Python programs. So basically, there are two types of applications that we can use, either window-based or web-based applications to execute any Python program. But before that, we have to configure our laptop or desktop with Python version, the latest version of Python. So for that, you can just open the Google homepage, and on that Google homepage, you can just type the address of the official website of Python, that is python.org. So once you visit the homepage of python.org, you'll get the list of various versions available, and the latest version you can download which is compatible for your machine. If you are using Windows operating system, you can select the respective version of Python which is compatible for Windows. If you are using Linux or Mac, then you can use the compatible version of Python for Linux or Mac. So here, as I am using Windows, so here I'm going to download this Python 3.10.5 version, which is the latest version of Python language. So this is 3.x series basically. So you have to just click on this. You'll get your executable file downloaded on your machine. Once it get downloaded, you can install it easily, but just click on next button, it will get installed on your machine. And after installation, you can use any IDE. So now consider I have installed that Python on my machine, as my machine is already configured with the Python software. So after that, what we have to do, the next step, let me explain you. So once your Python software gets installed on your computer, you have to use either any integrated development environment. You can use like VS Code is there, or you can use Anaconda software. So here I'm using Anaconda software, on which there is a Jupyter notebook, that is the editor for the Python programming, which is already installed on my machine. Let me open that Anaconda. It is one of the window-based application, and in that Anaconda software, there is one web-based editor, that is Jupyter Notebook, that I am going to use to execute my Python programs. It will take some time to open. So once your Anaconda software will get open, there is a Jupyter Notebook that we are going to use as an editor to execute any Python program. I just click on this launch button. So once we click on this launch button, the Jupyter Notebook web page will get open. So now here we have to select the Python language version, that is Python 3. So once we click on it, we'll get the editor to execute the Python program. Now here in this editor, you can type your Python program. So first of all, we will see the very first Python program in which we are going to display only one message, that is hello world. Now to display anything in Python, there is one built-in function, that is print function. Now what is meant by function, and whether it is inbuilt or it is user defined, that we'll discuss in upcoming lectures. But you have to just keep it in your mind that print is one of the function that is used in Python to display anything. So what is syntax of print function? Let me show you. Print, opening and closing round parenthesis. Now in this print, if you want to display anything as it is in the form of string or in the form of message, then you can use the quote, either single quote or double quote or triple quote you can use, and whatever you write in that quotation, it will get display as it is. So it will get display as a string. So here, if we want to display hello world, let me type that string hello world. So this is only one line code which I have written in Python language. Now I have finished with my code. Now once I execute this code, the hello world message which I have written here in this double quote will get displayed as it is. Okay. So there is one run option. It is just visible below the menu bar. So just click on this run, and in this console window you will get the output of your Python program. So this is very simple program and which is very first program or of Python programming language.